Hindi po
be
sir,
a long shot.
hindi po abogado, nandito pa lang tayo
I
sa
was
Senado, hindi sa
referring
Korte.
to the policy na ginawa ko para sa mga pulis.
Yes, sir.
Sabi
At
ko,
nagbunga
for that,
yung
I
polisiya.
take full responsibility
Yes,
for
and
that.
what about yung bunga ng polisiya na libo-libong namatay kasama si Kian de los Santos? Do you also take full responsibility for that? Because in October 2020, na-quote po kayo na sinabi nyo, if there's killing there, I'm saying I'm the one. You can hold me responsible for anything, any death that has occurred in the execution of the drug war. Noong October ulit, October 21, nung 2021 naman, in a Reuters interview, kinwote kayo na sinabing, if there is any person who is going to prison, it would be me. I assume full responsibility. So, do you assume responsibility for the death of Kian de los Santos, Mr.
No.
Chair? No. How about
Ala-
si Carl
Alam
Anthony
mo, ma'am,
Nunez?
before you rumble on those many things,
No, I'm not rambling, Mr. Chair. Very specific yung mga tanong ko.
the specific ang law, guilt is personal. Tanong ka muna ng abogado.
Okay lang po. Kayang-kaya kong magtanong sa abogado. Sige,
tanong ka
itanong
muna
ko
ngayon
po.
before we proceed.
No.
Hindi tayo
I
magkakaintindihan
have prepared
dito.
these questions with my
Guilt
legislative
is
staff.
personal.
Yes, it's very personal.
Hindi
So,
mo pwedeng ipasa sa iba yan.
no, hindi po ito pagpasa.
Ah,
Iniimbestiga
kaya nga.
po ng Blue Ribbon yung war on drugs at yung naging bunga na extrajudicial killings dyan. And I am basing my question dun sa mga sinabi ninyo repeatedly, parang tuwing Oktubre nga sinasabi nyo na you will take responsibility.
Correct.
So now let me ask you about Carl Anthony Nunez, 20 years old. Walang nahanap na droga o baril sa katawan niya. Sabi nga ng investigador, mistaken identity. Do you take responsibility for his death?
You know, ma'am, can I ask for a recess of just a
It's
few
all right,
minutes?
Mr. Chair.
Yes. Hearing is suspended.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, go ahead, Mr. President.
nagtataka ako hanggang ngayon ng Justice Department hindi pa nag-file ng kaso hanggang ngayon. Katagal lang. Matagal ako pumapatay ng tao hanggang ngayon hindi pa sila nakapile ng kaso.
Mr. Chair, another addition to the list that's growing by the minute.
Okay, for the record, Mr. President.
wala na tayo
Mr.
wag na tayo
President, for the record, kasi may nagtanong din sa akin eh.
Wag na tayo magdrama dito. Tapos yan na natin itong istorya na ito dito sa Pilipinas.
For the record, Mr. President, wala.
Kasi naawa ako dito sa mga pulis. Sa totoo lang, naawa ako sa mga pulis, pati sundalo. Kaya ako po, akin mine and mine alone. Pag nag-inutusan ko ito, mag-operate itong mga buang na ito, kung anong mangyari akin yan, I'm emotional because I've been longing to state this particular sentiment. Protektado ko yan sila. Basta in the fulfillment of duty, Mr. Senator, yan sila, naging chief of police yan. Protektado ko ang police pag nagtrabaho in the fulfillment of duty. Pero alam nila, ang mga pulis na pumasok ng kidnapping, alam nila yung pulis nila, pinatay ko.
For
Ng
any
specific crime.
Yes, sir. You spoke
Hindi
about
pwede yan.
you spoke about
At
specific
saka,
crimes.
kung sabihin ko, I will take full responsibility, magdating tayo sa korte, hindi naman tatanggapin yan.
Well, Mr. Chair, and if the resource person could keep his volume and pitch to a normal
trying
level.
to pin me down on
Mr. Chair, you are pinned down by your own statements
you
of
cannot.
October.
You have to pin me
Mr.
down
Chair.
lower.
I'm not trying to pin you
lawfully.
down
The
on
exchanges
air.
are no longer productive.
Mr.
So hearing
Chair.
is
Do not pin me
suspended.
down on semantics.